Welcome, everyone, back to another episode where today we're going to be talking about how we can help professionals set up their newsletter and how they can get paid for it. This is an exciting link to an earlier episode where we were using ConvertKit. And the funny thing about ConvertKit is that the free version doesn't allow you to connect it to your WordPress. And if you watched the episode, I was getting confused and didn't know how to connect it. It's because you have to have a paid version. Good news is this platform, Revue, hopefully I'm pronouncing that right, is supposed to be completely free. Doesn't have as many features as ConvertKit, but it should still provide us an opportunity to be able to create that newsletter. Okay, so once again, we are the Helping Professional team. My best friend and I are doing this because we are professionals ourselves, right? He has a medical degree, I have a law degree, and we want to do what our hope was to be mentors for our younger versions of ourselves. And that's why we know the value here can be very helpful for a lot of people. So let's get right into this. Let's turn this on, turn the mouse. All right, so let's see. Great. Helping professionals without the mouse. Freaking working. Let's do this. Fantastic. The mouse is now working. Okay, great. So this is the website, Revue. And what we're going to do is create an account and see how this works, just like what we did with ConvertKit, right? And let's go. This is our email, is our password. Let's do this. Oh, by the way, this is, we got this idea from Dr. Ali. He has a newsletter that goes out every week, and he recommended 3 platforms, one of it being Substack, another one being Revue, another one being ConvertKit. And we'll link that video in the comments below. Let's go back to Revue. All right. So let's see. This is where people will be able to sign up for your newsletter. So MDJD, let's change that up and let's put helping professional. It's because we want to be consistent. I think consistency is helpful here. Let's see. How about your name or topic you'll write about? Weekly newsletter of. Let's just helping newsletter. Let's do that. Let's simplify this. Let's not overly complicate anything. Let's go ahead and put the United States of America. Let's continue here. This username is not valid. Alphabetical numeric only. Numerics only. Helping professional. Okay, let's do that. It wouldn't matter as much. Well, this is where people MD. Is it trying to get a number involved as well? That'd be weird. Let's see. How about we put helping professionals? Let's try that. Go ahead and continue here. And it is still not allowing to help. So let's do this. MDJD Bros. Let's experiment with that. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to take a small pause. All right, we are back to this title page, actually, and we have just got to confirm the email, and that's it. Confirm your email, and we don't have to reconfirm that. Let's pull this over here, and let's pull up the email. This should be a very easy process here. Once we click on this, we should be able to access it, and this should be the fun part. So enroll. Confirm your email address. There we go. Confirm your email address here. And boom, that's it. We have successfully set up Helping Professional channel. Boom. Your settings, saved. We can put our image here. That's not going to be imperative, right? We just save that and then close this, and let's create. Let's just start with it. So what we want to do is integrate this with our page, our website. How do we do that? Since we have a little bit of experience from ConvertKit, we should be able to find that out. Let's see, introduction. So this is helping professional newsletter. This is the website. Add an item by clicking the button here. Issues. Okay, leave. Let's see, issues here. So this is issue 1. Okay, subscribers. Import CSV. I don't know if you guys can see this here on the top side. We do have a bunch of emails of professionals that we were going to send out to. So this is probably where you do it here. Paste addresses. See, copy and paste, and then press next and send away. So that's neat. And then let's go insights here. Insights, growth, and engagement. Oh man, the one issue here, one tricky part here is I don't see an integration with WordPress. Is there any sort of integration with WordPress? I know I'm on a free account. I don't see a paid option. Let's just write this test out. Test. Working, helping. Image, let's go and drop an image. Let's grab anything here. Boom. Progressions. Let's see, issue 1, text, link. Let's go ahead and put our helping professional link. See how it works from here. Okay, so this is issue 1 still. Preview. Okay, so issue 1, how do you send it? Subscribers, add your email address to test. Add your own email address here. Test. Okay, let's go ahead and test this out. Let's go ahead and manually add a subscriber here. All right, I'm going to copy and paste this amazing email. Boom. Okay. Confirm here, and look at this. We got 2 people subscribe, and now let's go ahead and send it away. We don't have to do that. Insights, growth, and engagement. That's not going to be relevant at the moment. Let's go ahead and schedule issue. Send it now. Would you like to send it now? Share your information, connect. You sure you want to send this? Your issue will be sent as soon as. Okay, let's test that out. So yes, hooray, we just sent out our first issue. Let's go ahead and see how that looks. Nope, there it is. There it is. Ladies and gentlemen, that is a helping professional, helping professionals like you. It's not perfect, but at least it works. The real challenge here, really big challenge, is its lack of integration with an API. It doesn't have that website integration. And hey, you know, let's a bonus clip for this video. Let's see how review. You know what's fascinating about this? Is there even a paid? It's completely free. That's fascinating. This is not it. It's completely free and it doesn't require. Okay, so fascinating. Get started. Home great radio. Da, da, da. So they're all resources, and I don't see a pricing plan. Go paid. Oh, there we go. There we go, per month. Okay, so now we have that. We can send out newsletters. The challenge is having a platform, maybe use something like System or ClickFunnels. I'm not sure, but now we know about helping professional. We know that it looks like this. Okay, it looks like this. It's not perfect, but it is a newsletter, and that's one way you could get started. Well, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining us again. If this was helpful, please hit a like and subscribe. If it wasn't, please let us know so we can improve the content. We know this isn't perfect, but what we really want to do is show our growth. Right now, we're at about 30 subscribers right now. We just got started with YouTube, and over 13,000 subscribers on TikTok. So we were excited for this growth. We want you to embark on this journey with us. And so see you guys in the next video as we continue this pursuit to helping professionals.